So today our question is the radius of a circle having minimum area which touches the curve y equals 4 minus x squared and the lines y equal to mod x is. So this one we'll do it in two different ways. One by using the J formulas, other one without using any formulas. Okay, so first if you draw this geometries, so what they're saying is, what is this? This is a parabola. This is a modulus graph. So if I plot it in a rough sketch, so this saying this is a modulus graph, so that is y equal to mod x, so something like this. Okay, and this graph, if I rearrange in a order, it will be that y equals 4 minus x square. I can write it as x square is equal to minus of y minus 4. Okay, so which is a parabola, okay, which is the inverted one because of the negative. So vertex at 0 comma 4. So 0 comma 4 vertex we have, so which is a parabola. So let this be 0 comma 4, a parabola. So what they're asking is a circle, okay, they're asking about a circle which touches this parabola and both the lines, and what they're talking about minimum area. So this is the circle area. So this circle they want. So what is the radius of this circle? That's what they want. So first what we do is, without uh, any formulas, we'll identify this. See, from here to here, this point itself is 0 comma 4, meaning from here to here distance itself is 4. So the radius of this, the diameter of the circle will be less than 4. So radius will be very close to 2, meaning little less than 2. See, this value root 2 plus 1 is how much? 2.414, and into 4, so it's greater than 4, which is greater than 4, so wrong. This is 2.414 into 2, greater than 4, which is wrong. This, okay, out of these two, one should be the answer. So we are very sure my radius should be very close to 2, not 2, okay. So this will be 0.414 into 2, 0.8, so which is not even correct. So obviously this is the answer. So we eliminated all the three options just by looking at the options. This is one way. So the general procedure of solving this is identifying this center. So we know this line is y equal to x. So we know the line, we know a point. So this point is 0, comma. So this is 4, this is r, this distance is r. So what will be this distance from here to here? 4 minus r. So what I do is, I'll find distance from this line to this point, which is equal to r. So line is what? Y minus x is equal to 0. Point is what? 0 comma 4 minus r. Distance from this line to this point is r. So distance formula we know. If I return this, x minus y is equal to 0. So that is mod distance formula, distance from a line and a point, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c over root of a squared plus b squared is the distance between a line and a point. So point is 0. So a is 0. So 0 minus 4 minus r mod a squared plus b squared is 1 root plus 1 is equal to r. If you simplify this, you will get one of these, this one and this one. But why they want the minimum area? Because, so if you simplify this, because the only unknown is r, if you simplify this, you'll get r is equal to 4 into root 2 minus 1. That's a solution. Because why they're asking only minimum area, where I highlighted is because there are two circles possible. The other circle that is possible is this one. See, I can draw another circle like this, a big circle like this. So that's why there is a bigger circle. So that's why this is also correct, but they want the minimum area. If they ask the want minimum area, so only this circle, so which is radius is very close to 2. So this is very close to 2 because if this one is 0.414 into 4, which is 1.6 something, so which is very, very close to 2, which is correct answer. So this is the answer. So which is JEE 2017 problem.